Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best tools you'll find for shredded cabbage slaw, the YukaBa Cabbage Kitchen Knife Slicer Chopper. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable and easy-to-use tool for preparing your cabbage, whether for coleslaw or sauerkraut, this is the product you've been looking for. This multi-purpose cabbage chopper features a stainless steel design with a dual blade feature that speeds up the shredding process. Gone are the days of struggling with heavy knives or dull blades. With its sharp, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, you'll get even, finely shredded cabbage every time. The double blades are strategically designed to cut your prep time drastically, making it possible to shred a kilogram of cabbage in under 5 minutes, even if you're a beginner. That's a huge time saver in the kitchen. The knife has a convenient ergonomic silicone handle, which makes gripping easy, ensuring you have full control while cutting. It also has a hanging hole, which means you can hang it with other kitchen tools for easy storage and quick access. Its design is built for speed, but also for safety, so you can slice through your cabbage with confidence. If you're someone who frequently makes homemade coleslaw, sauerkraut, or needs shredded vegetables for soups or pies, this cabbage knife will become your go-to tool. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or making a large batch for a family gathering, this slicer will make your life a whole lot easier. Before using it, just wash off any factory grease with some hot water and detergent, and you're good to go. Remember, this knife is for right-handed use only, so if you're left-handed, this might not be the right tool for you. So if you're ready to step up your cabbage shredding game, the YukaBa Cabbage Kitchen Knife Slicer Chopper is here to simplify your kitchen tasks. Be sure to check it out if you want to make the best shredded cabbage slaw you've ever tasted. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more honest product critiques right here on Product Critique.